everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be doing some square one example solves with CSP. So I know about half of CSP, and I use the Calshone method for CSP. All scrambles will be in the first comment section below, and yeah, let's get into it. So I start off by tracing. I only know about 95% of CSP, so not great. So this one, I usually don't trace, but for the purposes of this video, I'll probably just trace. So I know that if I trace odd from here, I will get, like, if I trace odd, I will reduce it into shield square. So I'll just trace. So we got green, orange, blue, which is one parity, and we got red, orange, green, two parities. Then I got blue, red, green, just three parities. And now we got orange, blue, just four parities. And now we have five parities. So that's five parities, which is odd parity, which means that we can reduce it into shield square, like that. Now we have shield square. Now we have CO, so it's pretty easy. But what I'll do is, I know that I have white on top, but if I just do slash, I'll have yellow on top. So I'll do yellow on top, and I'll do my alg, but I'll cancel into the alg to flip the sides over. And now I have G-perm and a U-perm. So what I'll do is, with this G-perm, I'll hold it like this here, and I'll have the J-perm here, sorry, the U-perm, do JJ, and now I have JN. And that was the start. This scramble is not very good, because I don't know the CSP to this one. So what I'll do is, I think what I would like to do is I'd hold it like this, and I'd go like this to make it scallop kite, and I'll bring the scallop into the front, and I'll just scallop kite. And now I have this pretty mediocre case. I'll hold it like this, and I'll do like that. And now I have this here. Now I realize that I don't have parity, so what I do is, I know that if I don't misalign the top layer, I'll get adjacent, and if I misalign the bottom layer, I'll get adjacent. So what I'll do is, I'll do my CP alg, and I'll cancel into a crater flip, and now I'll just do adjacent to the front there. Scramble's pretty good. So I know that if I just trace from here all around, and from here all around, I'll have to get odd to just reduce it into scallop kite. So I'll just trace. So I have 0 parities, 1 parity, 2 parities, 3 parities, okay, 3 parities, which means odd. So I'll do a U2 here. So now we can do a slice to scallop kite, and we can just scallop kite into the front right there. And now this, I'll just do a D2, and I would misalign and slice. But usually I would just do it like that, but I know that would give me a bad EO. And I'll just do this EO, knowing that I'll probably have to do a decline after it, like that. And now I think I might not get good U-perm. Actually, I think I might get good U-perm. Yeah. And then just good U-perm. So that was also pretty straightforward. So in this case here, we have a scallop and a fist. So I'll just trace from here to here, and from here to here. And if I get even, I'll solve it where I can do the fist like that. But if it's odd, then I'll solve it so that it's like misaligned kind of. So let's just trace 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have even. So I'll just do a U2 here to make this aligned. And I'll just misalign the scalp. So now we can just move it up to match with the L. I'll do a U, and I'll slice again. And now I'll solve scalp kite into the back. It's really important that you know how to solve cases into the back. So I'll solve it like this. Now, for finger tricks wise, probably the most optimal way to do this, like move optimal, would obviously be 3 slices. But finger trick wise, I would slice, go like this, and then do 2 here. So it'll be 3 slices. Now I have this EO, and I see that I have just an adjacent swap of corners on both of the layers. There we go. So what I'll probably do is I would misalign the bottom and not the top. I do J, and I'd cancel in to equator flip. So now we just have adjacent W. And J is the last scramble. And I actually did not know how to trace CSP on this one. On this cube shape here. I used to, but I should probably go and relearn it. So, what I'll do is I see the fist here, and I'll see the paw here. And it's not like the first scramble, but this time it's both, it's right fist and right paw. So, I'll just go like this to make into this case. Misalign and go like this. So now we have paw paw, and we can just solve paw paw like normal. Now I just do D2, R2, go like that. And then I have EO. Now I have no parity, which is really good. CO. And then I have this pretty handy EP that I learnt a few months ago. It's where you do that CO, misalign both, and do the same CO, and ADF, and you're done. So I hope you really enjoyed that video and you got something out of that. And also I'll just do a quick update. I know for some upcoming comps, I have 2 comps in October. So I have Altona, which is the 5th and 6th of October, and I have Pakenham, which is 25th of October. Hopefully I can get good square one results in both of them. If not, who really cares? And if you're going to any of those competitions, if you want, you can say hi. I'm always happy to talk. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and goodbye.